Morning all. How was your weekend? Okay. So some of the companies here start on Saturday, all the private concerns. Anyway, even though the working from home drama is on in some areas, so we have been speaking in Let's Sell Successfully on organizational values for the month of October, right? Okay. So if people, I just had some comments that audio sales mad. Yes, of course I am a sales mad. So people who are leading managers on field will know that the cost of one session inside a corporate cabin organized by leading sales and marketing companies or the training companies is going to take pretty much money from your pocket. But what I thought is, when I was a beginner in sales and I was just staring at people, the product and the markets, in not knowing what to do, there were some beautiful souls which lifted me up in the cadre of reporting managers. So the same I wanted to, so many trainees are getting benefited, but rather they say that there is a shy in replying in the post. So I don't work only for praise, money, etc. Of course, money is a major ingredient. So it goes well without saying that somebody is getting benefited, if not the 100, the one in the crowd. That one beautiful soul who knows the value of every business is what we aim as a trainer over years. Fine. And we have been talking on organizational values, right? So now we are going to talk on we started that sales is a business art of communication with product, markets and people, products and markets, right? We touched people, then we went to products and markets. So we do not go deep, we just had an intro, because without knowing what's a strategy, we cannot dive into the learning and the basics of product marketing and product and the markets. So today I am going to touch some points on product marketing. Okay. Rather than sessions, I would love to put this as crispies or points in sales which will lead you to better product marketing. So how many product marketing managers watching? Basically I train product marketing team also. So the first point is, the first step in service marketing is your service, right? So what is the service you give or you offer to your clients, customers? It also forms the base on client relationship management, or rather CRM, what they call in modern marketing language, which is customer relationship management. Fine. So what is the key strategy is, if you want to see more clear, okay, the first step in service marketing is your service. So what is the service you are offering to your clients and customers? It is client relationship management, a product failure or an upgrade of a product or a service. What is customer relationship management? If there are any flaws, any doubts, any queries, any further enhancements to be followed, it comes under CRM. So both client relationship and customer relationship comes under the keyword service to its customers, clients, sometimes to the markets as well. Fine. So the first crisp strategy is, the first step in service marketing is your service. Okay. Then there is one more key strategy which is leading you to this master. This is the base strategy, there is one more master strategy to execute this on field, or among the clients and customers who are celebrities who can just sign with the company hundreds and hundreds of or crores of dollars for the product marketing part. Okay, so we will come to the second strategy. Okay, they say that, experts say that this is the crisp strategy number 2. Marketing, because we are touching product marketing today, marketing is the brain let me write it in clear because I never confuse myself and others. Brain, okay, of service marketing. Okay, marketing is the brains of service marketing. Fine. So just read out this strategy. They say that marketing is the brains of service marketing. Service marketing is what? Service to the product, service to the customer, service to the clients, upgrade of the product or cancellation of the product, intro of the new product into the market. So this strategy, parent strategy, is leading to one child strategy, which is, this is the parent strategy. This is an unfailing strategy when I train leading product marketing managers and their team on field. So they say that if the brain fails, reverse is the gear. If you are a student of medicine, you will tell that if the heart fails, the brain, everything is dead. But in marketing, no, we have a separate, you have to go for a separate doctorship, and the client and customers is your better doctors. So the treatment there is, if the brain fails, okay, the heart cannot function. Okay, the heart of every product marketing manager or a team is going to be your strategy, or rather your complete accomplishment target for the month. So what is the second strategy? The parent strategy is marketing is the brains of service marketing. You have to understand this major strategy through, if the brain fails, which is the brain? Service marketing is the brain. Okay, the heart cannot function. That means the targets fail. Targets cannot be accomplished. This is your whole second clue. Let me move the camera near for you to understand. It says that marketing is the brains of service marketing. This is the parent strategy. What is a child strategy? If the brain fails, the heart cannot function, targets cannot be accomplished. Okay, right. Now for you, comfort of all of you, all my strategies can be found in the Facebook page or my account. Because in the description box I cannot write the whole story. I cannot write a novel. I can just give an afterword of the strategies. So you can find everything in Let's Sell Successfully Facebook page. Okay, right. These are the first two strategies. The first step in service marketing is your service, and service marketing is the brain of all the strategies we saw. Without the brain, the heart cannot function, which is the target or the customer centric market or the profit, whatever language you call. Now we are moving to the third strategy. Everybody will be hearing of the Pizza Hut or Pizza Corner. They say that they are the first people to invent this marketing strategy. Think out of the box. So they invented a box to deliver the pizzas. Okay, same, we have got one more pizza to eat in product marketing. What is that? Don't think better. Okay, think different. Fine. So for this, I'd love to also extend this strategy as don't repeat the same repetitive advertisement or report procedures. Okay, the very simple example is including a very corporate banks, highly profiled companies, retail marketing clients, or what they do is they place that small sticker with the phone number inside the window pane of the car. So how many of us, when we take the car out, we simply slide down that paper and it falls down. Okay, so don't think better, think different. Think different means the clue is how to use technology, maximum use of modern technology into advertising basics. This is thinking differently. Okay, so the third crisp strategy is don't think better, think different. Okay, so many, it is a digital world. So many ways you can pull out the clients instead of the same drama of keeping your stickers inside the window panes, right? Use the media well, use the social media well, okay, instead of placing it like a old rub strategy. Fine. We saw what is the first step in service marketing is step in service marketing. What we saw is our service. Fine. So second, what we saw, marketing is the brains of all service. Without the brain, the heart cannot function, right? Ulta Sida for human brain, okay? Without a human heart, the brain cannot function. But here in the marketing, without a top marketing brain, okay, the heart cannot function, which is the targets or the profits. Or I would rather say without we salespeople and product marketing people, the company is dead. Okay, they have to accept it, they have to recognize quality managers and they have to pay them straight. Okay, then the third strategy we saw is don't think better, think different, right? Just a minute, I'll turn the board closer. For the strategies, you can also find in my Facebook page, Let's Sell Successfully. Okay, fine. We saw what is a service marketing. That is the first step in service marketing is your service. Then we saw marketing is the brains of all service. Without brains, the heart cannot function. Third, we saw don't think better, think different. So what is the fourth strategy? Here the prayer started. I just wow this dedication of them towards their prayer time. They are on time every time. Okay, which I should learn first. Fine. Therefore, the prayer is over. Okay, thank you for that. And the fourth strategy is create the possible service. Don't just create what the market wants or needs. So how can I tell it in a single line is, create what the customers love. This is a major target winning product marketing strategy, not selling strategy. This is a product marketing strategy which should pull the sales team to sell maximum based on a very important keyword, the quality and trust towards the product which you sell, right? So the fourth strategy is create the possible service. Don't just create what the market wants or needs. So create what the customers love. So sales to sell maximum. The quality of the product should speak itself better than the ads. Okay, fine. So let us move to the fifth strategy. As told, you can find all my strategies in Let's Sell Successfully Facebook page and also into Priya Let's Sell Facebook account in the form of albums, right? Now, I am moving to the fifth major important strategy, which is, what do you do to improve your service? Please remember, we are learning product marketing basics and crisp strategies today. We are not into selling today. Fine, these are all the base for product marketing. Okay, so what do you need to improve your service? Because we touched CRM today when starting, okay, which is client relationship management. Add one C to the power of 2, which is customer relationship management. Both come here. Okay. The thing is, what do you do to improve your service? I'll put it more crisp. What you do to improve your service. Once the keyword comes, service comes, the basic selling skips to CRM, which is client and customer relationship management. So the major key for today's challenging market conditions is, because you have so many products, you have 100 different companies with 1,000 different advertising strategies because of the digital marketing era. So what do you do to improve your services? You ask. Okay. Ask whom? Your sales and product marketing managers? No. Ask the customer. Okay. Fine. Now, the digital world has put us in a very compelling situation to think customers not as king or queen, but to think customer as the god. That is how it has to sail. Because if you pick one strategy and you pitch it right, the entire market in no time it will turn towards you. So what is the key strategy? What you do to improve your service? Just ask the customer what they need. Okay. Fine. Now we are going to come, we said that how to improve your service, ask. Okay. How do you ask? It leads to survey. Okay. How do you do a survey? It comes that, how do you do a survey? Before doing a survey, I want to touch the very, very important keyword in this survey marketing strategy. It is, since people's personalities are talking behind your back, okay, I'm also standing, turning, I will turn then front, okay? Behind your back. So too happens in, this is not invented by me, this is a major New York's bestseller strategy. So don't take it personal. So even if you take it personal, there are a few people that as I correct myself, they need to correct themselves for talking behind the back. My major disadvantage is I talk straight. Maybe I do not know, figure out it whether it is my advantage or disadvantage. I talk left and right to the same person, okay, and I hug the same person. Both are possible. So ask and survey. Ask the customer leads to survey the market about your product. Since people's personalities are talking behind your back, so too happens in product survey. Okay. So hire a third party to do the surveys, to carry out your surveys. Okay. So the prayer has started. Let me finish it with the last strategy, which is of today. Unless you are confident of the customer, carry out only oral surveys. Okay. Not the written surveys. Okay, written surveys will never give you the right answer. You connect to the customer through a voice, form a bonding, and then you just start asking, you will get the correct thing. Always hire a third party to go for the survey, which you will get a better results. And this is up for today. Ask your customer. So I'm also asking whether it is useful or not. If you find it useful, please kindly try to drop your comments in my YouTube channel, in the video, or in the Facebook page. If you have critics also, kindly drop them. I will always correct. Have a pleasant day. Thank you so much for watching. Priya for Let's Sell Successfully. Priya Mahesh for Let's Sell Successfully.